Ray.
This is not a surprise. We have been forecasting the high heat taking place yesterday, today, and tomorrow for days. Yesterday, we got a little taste of the intense temperatures. Today, we're going to kick it up a notch. So just some friendly reminders. The asphalt, it can heat upwards of 140 degrees. Always use that 5-second rule before walking your pets. Put your hand on the asphalt. If it's too hot for your hand to stay there for 5 seconds, it's way too hot for your pet's paws. Go ahead, put them in the grass and then bring them on inside if at all possible. And remember, the inside of your car can heat in a snap upwards of 110 degrees just within a few short minutes. And opening up your windows really doesn't do too much for that. And of course, the heat can be a major weather killer. We want you to stay safe, not to frighten you, but be aware. And if you can, limit your time outdoors. If you have to do something outside, do it in the morning or late afternoon. But I'll tell you what, temperatures this morning are already spicy. We're coming in at 80 outside of the Millionaire Sky Cam. Look at those dew points coming in at 73. So anytime it's above 70, it's muggy. It's uncomfortable out there. It already feels like we're coming in at 84 this morning. Now, not everyone is at that 80-degree mark, but we're all pretty warm. You've got 78 in Kilmarnock, 81 in Williamsburg. The Tri-Cities are coming in at 73, Louisa 72, and we're just going to continue to warm up. That's why we are dealing with that heat advisory. It does also mean over into Short Pump, Richmond, Midlothian, Winterpock, Chester, Verina, Roxbury, Charles City, Claremont, all of you guys are going to be under this heat advisory for today. Now, we're not just dealing with the heat. There's also going to be a chance for some strong to severe storms to take place. The time frame of this is after lunch. Remember, this is not the gospel, but it really gives us a good indication of the time frame. If you are familiar with weather terms, the Cape is high, and that's what you need to have some strong storms. So that's when we're keeping a very close eye on these. Over into Tappahannock, portions of the northern neck, I look to see that around 3, 4 o'clock, and that's quickly going to ease its way into the heart of the state around 6, 7, and then pushing down along the state line. Now, this frontal boundary is going to hang out with us today and into tomorrow. So tomorrow, we'll see another chance for these strong to severe storms to take place again. Now, our main threat really going to be damaging winds along with intense rainfall. We all know we've had our fair share of rain, so please watch out for potential flash flooding. Of course, we will continue to monitor the situation, but one thing's for sure, it is going to be hot. 97 degrees, feeling closer to 105 to 107. Tomorrow, 90. It's going to feel closer to around 100. We'll see 87 on Thursday. We will slightly dip down Saturday, but then those 90s will make a return heading into next week. Kristen, limit that time outdoors. If at all possible, stay inside.